Guys, it's Lionel the Builder back again with another video, and today I just wanted to talk about how I've been able to build an entire company using AI to build most of my websites and my prototypes. You know, AI does most of the coding, so just with networking, being a community organizer, a builder in my local town of Hampton Roads, between that, doing events where I then, through networking, shaking people's hands and stuff like that, I meet people who I'm then able to build websites for them. And so if this is the type of thing that you're into, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna get right into it over here. And I figured the best place for me to start would be with V0. As you guys know, V0 is an amazing website builder, front end mostly, by Vercel. And you can see some of the projects that I've built here. And I'm gonna tell you guys a story of how I've been able to land these clients, because I know a lot of you know how to build, but what you don't know how to do is where to find the clients, how to negotiate with them, and stuff like that. And so we're gonna start with the first one that I built, which was for myself. And this is just to showcase the power of V0, because I did not have to write any code for this website. And this is for my company website, digitalbuilders757.com. For the brand style guide, literally all I did was give them a prompt and this flyer here. And with that alone, it built this for me. Now, when you see the hero section, of course, that's coming from me prompting, of course, and this cursor effect that we have here, I got from 21st Dev. Yeah, 21st dev is where you can find a whole bunch of awesome components that you can just copy the prompt and then put them into V0, and then it will add it to your website. And so, of course, if you just tell it to build you a website, it's not gonna make it look this good. And that's where I wanna challenge you guys to work on your prompting skills, looking at prompting as a part of the design process and getting more creative with it. Saying that you want a hero section where there's some sort of Three.js background effect. That has honestly become one of my company's like signature, is that basically. And yeah, this is just a good example, a great place to start with how talking about how awesome V0 is. And as you can see, our website is really more so to promote the events that we do, which our events serve two purposes. For one, it's our way of giving back to the community, being able to mentor kids, reach out and show people and tell our story of how I'm a self-taught engineer building a company. And, you know, we do events where we mentor kids. We get together a bunch of business owners and people who are doing their thing. We teach workshops. We have pitch competitions and have done all sorts of stuff here in the city through my residency at this place called Assembly. And yeah, so that's the first website. Now let's go and take a look at one of my clients. So Freedman's Bank, which would be a good one to go to next. Okay, and yeah, this one here, Freedman's Bank, is a great first one to look at. As you can see, our signature is pretty much in here. The way that we like use these sort of like 3D animations in the background. Just with V0 and doing that alone, you can get so many clients basically off of, you know, telling them, let's take that old dead looking WordPress that you have and give it a rebrand, a refresh. You know, I always like to say that they look at us like car mechanics, right? When you find a car mechanic that's good and you can trust them and they'll actually get the job done, you hold on to them. You don't let them go. And that's a big part of the strategy with the digital builders and now you're going to need your communication skills to be able to instill that trust in your clients that you meet. Events, again, is a great way to do that. I always tell people to go out in your local community and volunteer, find where the developers are at, find where the startup community is at, and shake hands and let them know that you code. Teach people how to code, teach people how to do that thing. And then through that, you will get clients. This story here is a person friend of a friend who needed a website. And the only reason I knew this friend was because of me throwing events. So perfect example here. Of course, I went into V0 and he is trying to raise money to do this Freedman's Bank thing. Again, inspired by this movie here. So we put that in there. It's a 37 city tour that he wants to do. And so we basically just made the landing page for his pitch deck because he's going to conferences and talking about this project that he wants to fund. And this was completely in V0, one pager, real quick. But as you can see, it's a great looking website. And yeah, it was all created right here in V0. I don't even think I made it to a second chat. I didn't even run out of my first prompts on that one. But yeah, let's see what is another one that we can check out here. So we have, okay. So we have a couple. This one was funny. It's a rapper that I met, friend of a friend. Again, we can click this one real quick. So he wanted to make one. The security flaw. We'll worry about that later. Let's look at. I haven't published this one yet because it's not done. So actually, and it was saying that there's something going on, but okay, so he wanted to make one, like, you guys can already guess what website he was looking for. But yeah, this is the dude. It was just a simple one pager. Probably not even really worth bringing up. But yeah, it's another example of a client that I closed. This is a paying client that wanted a website real quick, and I V0'd it. The only thing that he told me was that style guide from that old website. He wanted a logo like that with his name and then following the color scheme, and gave me his bio, and we knocked it out real quick for him. One that actually took some time, but that I'm very proud of, is Padia.com, which is a fintech budgeting app. Again, made with V0. I didn't even have to put this on GitHub or anything like that. And this is one of my favorite projects. Shout out to Safat for making this animation video for us. So yeah, we did that. It's a budgeting app that this guy is. It's a startup. He's raising funds to push this project forward, and his idea was basically getting like rocket money mixed with paying your bills, mixed with budgeting and charting software. He wanted to have something where you can pay your bills, as you can see here. So yeah, like you can click pay now, pay your bill here. So you can see all of your bills, and then you have your budgeting stuff in the same app. And then you also have your reminders. And so this was 100% another V01. I didn't need to take it off of there. I didn't need to have a back end or anything like that. And through it did take us a while though, because he was very particular about how he wanted everything to look. But yeah, I think it came out great. The client is happy with this one, and I met him through a person who was one of the mentors within our network. She came to a bunch of our groups, a bunch of our events and stuff like that. And then she reached out because this guy wanted her to build the app for her. But she asked me if I could take on this project because she's so busy. And we did. So that was another networking thing. I feel like a lot of times we see companies going crazy and going up, but we don't necessarily know the story behind how do people get clients. Because I know there are businesses where their phones is ringing or their inbox is ringing through their SEO and their marketing that they do on the internet. But ours is very much so old school still. Even though we're a tech company, when it comes to our sales and our reaching more clients, it's very much word of mouth, handshakes, and one person, another person. It just snowballs when the word gets out that you're a builder, right? We can also look at another one. We'll do one more. So StuTech Inc. is another one that I believe it had to be through our events and through LinkedIn, where I met Johnny, the founder of this one. We are a mobile scooter company, and you see our style already. You see the hero section there, and we're actually redesigning a lot of this right now, so it's going to change soon. But if you guys know, V0, shout out to V0, shout out to Vercel. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, but this is one of my main tools that I use when I don't need a back end and I just need something simple where no one's logging in. If it was that, I would have to get Cursor and use Supabase or Firebase or something for the backend. But for these quick and easy mom and pop shop or small businesses, websites, wherever someone just needs to get their idea out, you can easily score the client real quick and then take it from there. And I just wanted to come up here. It's been a while since I shot a video. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on how we're doing. We have a lot of events coming up, but we're also building a lot of software projects aside from the one that I'm building specifically for our company. We're working on Total Model Agency and a couple other things. You can go to our website, go to services, and I've got a list of our clients up there. And yeah, of course, join the Discord. We have a lot of things planning that we're planning. We're giving away $500 January 17th at a pitch competition. We're doing workshops leading up to that pitch competition, which will also be virtual. Join the Discord. Send me a message if you want to just chop it up, get to know me. I'm getting back into the content creator swing. Have been really busy. We'll update on all of that stuff later. But yeah, if it's your first time here, make sure that you go ahead, like, share, subscribe, join the community, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.